Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to set column width in pixels in Excel in just a few quick steps. First, locate the column you want to resize. Click on the column letter at the top. That's the letter like A, B, or C above the cells. The entire column will highlight. Next, move your mouse cursor to the right edge of the column header. You want to position it right on the boundary line between two columns. So if you're resizing column A, you'd put your cursor on the line between A and B. You'll know you're in the right spot when your cursor changes to a crosshair or a double-headed arrow. That's the resize icon. You need to be precisely on that boundary for the cursor to change. Once your cursor has changed, click and hold the left mouse button, then drag the boundary either right to make the column wider or left to make it narrower. As soon as you start dragging, a tooltip will appear next to your cursor. This tooltip shows the width in two ways. It displays the character width and then the pixel count in parentheses. For example, it might say, width, 8.4364 pixels. The pixel count updates in real time as you drag. Keep dragging and watch that pixel number in the parentheses. When it matches your target pixel width, stop. So if you want a column that's exactly 100 pixels wide, drag until the tooltip shows 100 pixels in the parentheses. The character width will adjust automatically as you go. When you hit your target pixel width, release the mouse button. The column will resize to the new width, and the tooltip will disappear. That's it. Your column is now set to the exact pixel measurement you wanted. A few quick things to keep in mind. The default column width in Excel is 8.43 characters, which works out to 64 pixels. If you need to double-check the width of a column later, just click on the right boundary of the column header again, and Excel will show you the current measurement in the tooltip. Also worth noting, pixel measurements can vary depending on your default font and screen resolution, so if you switch fonts or work on a different monitor, the pixel count for the same character width might change slightly. And that's how it's done. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.